today's 80-minute. I'm Josh Stanners going over our latest fleet fit-outs in Hyundai iLoads. So these are door servicing mechanics, and in the rear we have a fit-out of synchro shelving system. So all modular. As you can see, we have a slide-out vise on this side. We have over the wheel arch covers. We have a lockable toolbox and modular open shelving and racking with dividers and bins. On the roof we have an internal ladder rack, sliding ladder rack, and LED lights. We'll just go around to the side to show you what we've done there. So through the side door you can see we have pull-out tool case system. These can be taken onto site, and they also have a 3-point locking system, so if you knock the toolbox against anything on the way to site, nothing will fall out. These fit ideally into the modular system, all integrated, and a very good professional look. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We'd love to hear from you. 095800 477, or have a look on our website for more information, autotransform.co.nz. Thank you so much for your time.